Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and today I'm taking you through my daily routine. From sunrise to sunset, join me in seeing how I structure my day for productivity, self-care, and balance. My day begins at 6 a.m. I start by practicing mindfulness. Setting positive intentions for the day helps me stay focused and motivated. Next, I like to energize with a glass of lemon water and a light workout. It kickstarts my metabolism and gets me ready for the day ahead. After my morning routine, it's time for breakfast. I believe in a balanced meal, usually consisting of oatmeal, fruits, and a protein source. While I eat, I plan my day. I jot down tasks, appointments, and goals in my journal. It helps me stay organized and focused. Now it's work time. Whether it's filming content for my channel, answering emails, or working on projects, I dedicate this time to being productive. I take short breaks in between to stay refreshed and maintain productivity. By noon, I take a break for lunch. I prefer light, nutritious meals that fuel me for the rest of the day. Post-lunch, I like to take a quick walk to rejuvenate and clear my mind. During this time, I invest in personal development. It could be reading, taking online courses, or learning something new. Expanding my knowledge keeps me inspired and motivated. Exercise is a crucial part of my day. It could be a gym session, a run, or a home workout. Staying active boosts my energy levels. As the evening approaches, I start prepping dinner. I opt for healthy and homemade meals. Now it's time to wind down. I indulge in self-care activities like reading, taking a bath, or meditating. Before bed, I follow a skincare routine to pamper my skin. It's important to take care of ourselves even at the end of the day. I like to unwind with a book or journaling. It helps me relax and reflect on the day. And that's a wrap for my day. Thank you for joining me on this journey through my daily routine. Remember, taking care of yourself and having a structured routine can make a huge difference in your life. See you in the next video. Good night.